Now, this question is, very challenging. While answering parajumbles, let me just tell you one thing, that the first sentence after you form the sequence, it may not have the signs of a first sentence at all, because the whole sequence could have been taken from the middle of a paragraph. Right. So do not look for indicators of the first sentence necessarily. Look for connections. Let's see. Right. Here, the idea here is, what do we find? Right. The city into which I was born was poorer, shabbier. Right. The world almost forgot that Istanbul existed. The key here is, the city that you are referring to is connected with this Istanbul. So 3-1 is connected. By the way, there's another relation. Uh, 1, 4, and 2. Think of it like this. The city into which I was born was poorer and shabbier. Right. I sometimes think myself unlucky to be born in this particular city. So 1 and 4 is something which is connected. We can even think of 2 later on. Think of 1 and 4 as a solid connection. Now, if I if I look at 1 and 4, so 1 says the city into which I was born was poorer. Introduction of the whole thing, and the idea is the introduction of the fact that the person is born into a city that is poor. And 4, I sometimes think I am unlucky to have been born. 1 and 4 connected. That leaves us with 3 and 2. Now, if you look at 3, right? Uh, the problem with 3 is the reverse came true. We will not be able to find the reference of that anywhere. And at the same time, we find the mention of a city here. So it would be best to place it here. Right. If I place it afterwards, we will have to relate it with reverse. The reverse is never there anywhere. But Istanbul is something which is there, mentioned in both 1 and 4 as a city. So 3, 1, 4 makes perfect sense. What is left now is 2. And of course, we cannot write anything before 3, because anything that comes before 3 will have to have this concept of the reverse. So the best answer is 3, 1, 4, 2.